Welcome to the fourth installment of our 5-part video series on financial compliance. These short videos focus on you, the licensee, and are designed to help you run your business. In this video, we'll cover information for licensees who have not been paid by homeowners or developers. First off, it's really important to make sure you're covered by a written contract, as verbal agreements make it really difficult to prove what was agreed to and whether you're entitled to payment. You also need to make sure that your payment claim contains all of the required information, such as identification of the work carried out, the amount being claimed, and in some circumstances, a supporting statement. Issues relating to payments for building work can arise for a number of reasons and are usually based on the amount of money being claimed, the due date for payment, or whether an amount owed has been paid in full or at all. There are a number of options available to you as a licensee to resolve an issue about payments or monies owed. Initial communication with the involved party to address payment concerns should always take priority. While there are a number of options available, it's really important to remember that not all options will be suitable or available for every dispute, and some options have limited timeframes for taking action. It may be wise to seek legal advice prior to pursuing options, as there can be serious consequences, including financial costs, if you commence an action where you're not entitled to payment. If you have a payment dispute with a developer, one option may be to lodge an adjudication application. There are strict timeframes to apply, and fees vary based on the amount being claimed. If an adjudication amount remains unpaid, you may be able to register a charge over the property where the work took place. A subcontractor's charge can be used to secure payment of amounts under a contract by someone who is higher in the contractual chain. However, it does require legal advice. This can freeze the money owed, but is only effective if the higher person has money not yet paid to you. Suspending work will stop the amount of money owing to you increasing and may also encourage payment of the outstanding money. There may be serious consequences for stopping work, and you should obtain legal advice if considering this option to make sure it's a suitable choice in that circumstance. The Queensland Civil and Administrative Tribunal, or QCAT, is an independent avenue for payment resolution for amounts up to $25,000. QCAT is potentially a less costly option than court proceedings. You can choose to pursue outstanding payments from either developers or homeowners through the courts. So, for magistrates' courts, for claims up to $150,000. District Court, for claims between $150,000 and $750,000. And Supreme Court, for claims over $750,000. QBCC's website has some valuable information available, including the industry guide to security of payment laws. The next video in this series will talk about project trust accounts and when they're needed,